Welcome to the YouTube home of Dusty Visor Motorcycles. This channel's all about New Zealand's great scenic roads and the machines that make it all worthwhile. I'm a long-time fan of Italian bikes, and much of what you'll see here reflects that passion. We ride through some of New Zealand's most scenic roads, best areas of the South Island, and we also follow the local racing scene. Mostly classic events and Bears Pro Twins racing. You'll also find a mix of motorcycle camping trips, often with other good roosters from the Dusty Visor crew. Plus a few maintenance videos as well, and honest real-world gear reviews. We live stream the Man Cave sessions right here, third Friday of every month, and you're welcome to join us and comment in the live chat. So if you're interested in the down under riding scene, or just enjoy motorcycle channels with practical insights and a closer look at motorcycling down under here in New Zealand, you're in the right place.